Hey you guys, we're gonna have a surprise you of Angry Birds Easter basket. And to make this unboxing, you open 4 Easter eggs and 4 Play-Doh Easter eggs. Let's start now. Here's the scoop. We have first Play-Doh Easter egg. Let's see. This is fantastic. We got White Bird from Angry Birds Go teleports. Let's see the black Play-Doh. Let's see. Let's go over here. Let's see. How do we get? Oh, we get the It's just bubbles. These pops out. Okay, let's open the red Play-Doh. Wash. Cool. This is RTG2 egg. Orange Play-Doh. Coco, cool. This is CPO. This is how I wanted. Let's see what do we have here. Let's see what we have. Let's see. And here's the toy. And somebody over here, Mr. Peabody over here. Okay, let's see. What do we have here? The big one. And here's the toy. We got Beep Beep Talents and the Rocky Road for this haircut. Okay, let's see. What else? Oh, cool. The red Easter egg. Let's see. Oh, haha. That's the sign I wanted. This is Obi-Wan. Okay, and this is the very last Easter one. Golden egg. Look at, and it is Blue Bird. He's one of everything we got today. So that's the Angry Birds Easter basket, and here's the toys we got: Angry Birds Go teleports, some Angry Birds. Angry Birds and Mr. Peabody and Jeremy. Thanks for watching Jeremy's one. Stay tuned for more surprises and see what do we. Oh, next year they're gonna be surprise eggs with toys inside.